You finally got the raise. Or maybe it's a promotion. And for about 2 weeks, it felt amazing. And then life went back to normal. The bills adjusted, the lifestyle crept up, and somehow your bank account didn't get the memo. Sound familiar? Here's what nobody tells you when you're grinding for that next level at work. More income is not the same as financial freedom. It's not even close. And until you understand why, you'll keep chasing raises that never seem to change anything. I'm Alex, and welcome to Wealth Unspoken. For years, I thought income was the solution. Make more money so you can fix more problems. Get the raise and finally breathe. And every single time my income went up, the relief was temporary. Not enough, still behind, still one unexpected bill away from stress. So I thought I just needed a bigger raise, a better job, or more zeros on the salary. But the problem was never the income. The problem was what I was doing, or not doing, with it. And once I figured that out, the raises stopped being the goal, and building a better system became the goal. Here's a little truth nugget that can really change your perspective. Your income is not your wealth. It's the opportunity to create wealth. Because opportunity only turns into wealth when something is designed to keep it, to grow it, and stop it from leaking away. Without a system, every raise gets used up. Lifestyle increases to meet it. Expenses rise to match it. And 6 months later, you're earning more and feeling exactly the same. This is so predictable that it even has a name. It's called lifestyle inflation. And it will silently consume every raise you ever get if you don't have something in place to stop it. I watched this happen to a colleague of mine. 3 promotions in 4 years. His salary nearly doubled. And when I asked him how he was doing financially, he shrugged and said, "I make good money, but I never seem to have any." 3 promotions and 0 wealth built. Because the income kept coming in and the lifestyle kept eating it. More income without a system is just more money running through a leaky bucket. So what does a system actually do to help? Well, it captures the gap, like a rain barrel collecting rain. Every time more money comes in, a system automatically directs a percentage of it into something that builds, before lifestyle can claim it, before spending can use it, before it disappears into the noise of daily life. The raise doesn't change your life. The system changes your life. The raise just feeds the system. Think about it this way. 2 people get the same raise, the same amount, the same job, and the same starting point. Person 1 spends it. A nicer apartment, a better car, and more nights out. It feels good for a while. It actually feels great, but net worth is unchanged. Person 2 directs 50% of the raise into investments. They let the lifestyle stay flat and lets the system collect the difference. And 5 years later, the same salary, but completely different financial lives. The raise didn't create the gap, the system did. Here's what took me a long time to see. Chasing income alone can actually keep you stuck. Not because earning more is bad, but because it creates a false sense of progress. Every raise feels like forward motion. Every promotion feels like getting ahead. But if the wealth isn't building, if the net worth isn't growing, you're not getting ahead. You're just running faster on the same treadmill. And the higher your lifestyle climbs, the faster you have to run just to maintain it. I've seen people earning $300,000 a year who are one job loss away from financial disaster. Because, yeah, the income was high, but the system was non-existent. The career trap is believing that a better title and a bigger salary are the same thing as financial security, and they're not. Financial security comes from assets, from things you own that generate income, whether you work or not. A salary stops the day you stop showing up to that job. An asset doesn't. Now don't get me wrong, raises are good. More income is an advantage. The question is, what you do with it. Here's the wealthy person's raise playbook. The moment a raise is confirmed, before the first new paycheck arrives, they decide where that increase will go. Not all of it has to go to building, but a significant percentage does. Before you can spend it, and before you even see it. Automate that percentage immediately. Direct deposit into investments, into a brokerage account, or into something else that builds, even like a 401k. Then, and only then, let the rest that left over improve your quality of life. That way the raise does 2 things. It builds wealth, and it improves your life. In that order. Always in that order. The raise is not the reward. The raise is the raw material. And the system turns the raw material into the reward. Most people think more money will solve their financial problems. But more income without a system usually just creates more expensive chaos. The raise or bonus isn't the breakthrough. Because if money keeps arriving without direction, it keeps disappearing the same way. Wealthy people don't rely on income alone. They build systems that catch the money, protect the money, and multiplies the money. And then every raise, every extra check, every unexpected opportunity becomes fuel for the machine. I'm Alex, and this was Wealth Unspoken. See you next time.